Good morning, Sophia.
Good morning, Daniel.
Did you notice the new system today?
Yes, the company had installed new technology yesterday.
The IT team had worked late at night.
They had completed the installation before morning.
I heard they had tested the system several times.
Yes, they had checked every feature carefully.
The company had planned this upgrade for months.
Management had discussed the idea many times.
Our old system had caused many problems.
Yes, the servers had crashed several times.
The employees had complained about the slow speed.
The company had received many feedback reports.
Because of that, management had decided to change it.
They had approved the new project quickly.
The developers had designed the new platform carefully.
They had added several advanced tools.
I noticed they had improved the interface.
Yes, the screen had become much clearer.
Had the team received training earlier?
Yes, we had attended a workshop last week.
The trainer had explained every feature.
He had shown us how to use the new dashboard.
The trainer had answered many questions.
He had prepared helpful examples.
By Monday, we had learned the basic functions.
We had practiced using the tools.
That training increased our confidence.
Everyone had understood the system better.
This morning, the system worked perfectly.
Yes, the IT team had fixed the previous issues.
They had updated the security settings.
They had protected the data carefully.
I noticed they had installed faster servers.
They had improved the network speed too.
Before today, we struggled with delays.
The system had wasted a lot of time earlier.
But today, everything ran smoothly.
The upgrade had solved many problems.
Our team completed work faster today.
Yes, the new tools had simplified many tasks.
The developers had created smart features.
They had added automation options.
The software had reduced manual work.
It had saved us a lot of effort.
The company had invested in good technology.
They had chosen the right solution.
Before this change, we felt frustrated.
Now everyone feels motivated.
The support team helped a lot.
Yes, they had prepared clear instructions.
They had created training videos.
They had written detailed guides.
Because of that, employees had solved problems quickly.
Many workers had adapted very fast.
The managers had monitored the system closely.
They ensured everything worked properly.
The company had improved productivity.
The upgrade had increased efficiency.
I think the change was necessary.
Yes, the company had realized the need earlier.
They had analyzed the technical issues.
They had studied employee feedback.
The management had made a smart decision.
They had planned the transition carefully.
The IT department had coordinated the project.
They had organized the installation schedule.
By today, they had completed everything successfully.
The entire team supported the upgrade.
The system looks modern now.
Yes, the designers had improved the layout.
They changed the colors and icons.
They had simplified navigation.
The interface had become very user-friendly.
Employees had appreciated the design.
Many workers had shared positive feedback.
The company had received good responses.
Everyone had noticed the improvement.
The upgrade had made work easier.
By the afternoon, we finished many tasks.
Yes, the system had accelerated our workflow.
It had reduced errors significantly.
The automation had prevented mistakes.
The team had completed reports quickly.
We had saved valuable time.
The managers had appreciated our performance.
They had praised the new technology.
By the end of the day, the system had proven successful.
The company had achieved great results.
I'm impressed with the upgrade.
Me too. The company had improved its operations.
The IT team had done excellent work.
They had completed the project efficiently.
Our team adapted quickly.
Everyone had supported the change.
The new technology had transformed our work.
It had increased productivity greatly.
The company had made a wise investment.
Yes, the upgrade had improved our workplace.